Occupation no more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Israel is a terror state.
I think the only thing I would say, people think that lawyers are important in society. Maybe they are, maybe they are not. But it has been an inspirational experience because the effort that has gone into resisting an injustice by the Palestinian people is itself a source of great inspiration for a lawyer who comes into the situation at the tail end. And our own ability to speak in court is not as significant as the struggles of the people on the ground. So although you have come to welcome us, something for which I am eternally grateful, the Department of Justice did not warn us that this is what we were coming into. We were expecting a quiet, inconspicuous arrival, but it's truly a humbling experience to be here and to have all of this inspiring group of South Africans. My colleagues, Adila Hassim, she arrived last night. It is her birthday today, so maybe we should wish her a happy birthday. And Max du Plessis, I think she has flown to Durban. And our two other colleagues, Blinair and Vaughan, have gone to the UK. So I am the unfortunate one of having arrived in Johannesburg to this event. Obviously, nobody knows what a court will decide. This is the World Court. It comprises of 17 judges from different nationalities, and they will apply themselves now that they have had the argument, and we expect an outcome relatively soon. I don't know when, but it will be relatively soon. It is a matter of urgency, and they understand the weight of the responsibility on their shoulders. So I just want to thank you humbly again that you have come here in numbers and you have welcomed us. It's an unusual experience for a lawyer. Now, there are two other lawyers, and unfortunately, a court process, only the senior counsel appears as a spokesperson. The work that is happening in the background and the words that go into the speech are attributed to the senior counsel. But the truth is that there is a Tsidiso Ramokhale here who was one of my juniors who contributed to the speech, and there is Lerato Zikalala who was also one of my juniors who contributed to the speech. There was also Sarah Parifin-Jones who was one of the juniors who contributed to the speech. So most of it was a collaborative effort. But we must not forget rather, the struggle continues. This is an episode in a long struggle. You heard Adila saying it is about 75 years of occupation. So that struggle continues. It does not end. This week marked an important episode, but it did not mark the culmination. It marked a very crucial turning point in having the world look at the issue through a legal lens. But the overall struggle itself will continue beyond this. But we have been very humbled that we have been able to contribute a very small part to an otherwise long and courageous struggle of the Palestinian people. So in those words, I want to say thank you, and I would really like to go and sleep.
Viva Palestine! Viva!